A lot of people ask me, hey, where are mortgage rates headed? And simply put, I don't have the answer to that. But what I will tell you is what can influence mortgage rates as a whole. A lot of people think that the Federal Reserve is driving mortgage rates, and they actually don't. But it is their actions in terms of what they're trying to do to control monetary policy. Those are the things that are going to drive mortgage rates, but not in the way you think. Mortgage rates are actually influenced more than anything else by the actions of the stock market. So as people have money, they can really only put it in two different places, the stock market or really the bond market. Now, keep in mind, I'm simplifying this. We're not taking into account commodities, cash, or anything else, but really either the stock market or the bond market. So as the stock market decreases, people want to pull their money out of the stock market and put it into the safe haven of bonds. That's going to drive prices up in the bond market. And there's an inverse relationship between price and yields on bonds. So as people pull money out of the stock market, drives prices up in bonds, and yields or interest rates decrease. Conversely, if people are shoveling money into the stock market because it's starting to go up, they're going to pull money out of the bond market. That's going to depress prices, and yields will go up because of that inverse relationship. So to understand how rates are going to be influenced by the actions of the Fed, all you really need to do is look at what the Fed does and see how it influences the stock market. So keep in mind that the Federal Reserve could bump up interest rates, and that can be perceived by the stock market as a bad thing, and the stock market can decrease, which in turn would mean mortgage rates decrease even though the Federal Reserve bumped up interest rates. So don't watch the Federal Reserve in terms of whether or not their rates are going to drive interest rates up or down. You look at what the stock market is doing. So that's it. If you have more questions or need more information or advice, call your Legacy Loan Officer. We're here to help.